camp serves as an introduction to the welding profession for women. The program encourages participants to explore careers in welding, gain valuable work experience, and enables them to make informed career choices and develop the skills needed to find and keep good, well-paying jobs across Canada.
I've enjoyed the fact that it has all females, so it's a little more comfortable learning. Just having that hands-on experience is really important for me because then I kind of know like what to expect when I actually, go to the workplace.
The type of students that are taking this course are women aged 18 to 25 years old that have graduated high school, that may have an interest, they like using their hands, they like building with their hands, or they may have seen welding before.
It's been a huge eye-opener to figure out what path I want to go down in welding and like the theory, or if I want to be in a shop or travel for it. So I think it's helping me decide that.
The students here are learning the metal core arc welding. It's a wire-fed welding process. They're getting the chance to try it. We make it a very fun, motivating experience. There's no pressure. They get to do a little metal art project that they get to take home as well as get to try a CWB qualification at the end of the program.
What I've enjoyed about the course so far is actually the guest speakers that I've met this week. I love hearing their stories and I love being able to hear from where they started and where they are now. As I am just starting my welding career, I have no idea what I'm going to expect, and I know that that's okay because wherever I start, opportunities are endless, so I know I'll be okay. I'll find something happy.
Well, I kind of came in not knowing anything about welding, not even really expecting to like it. I'm actually going to school in September for social working. So having this opportunity, I'm actually really interested in it now. Like, it's a really cool trade. Hearing the women coming in and speak, they're so inspiring, and having that, and hearing someone else in my same position saying, yes, I've done this, look at where I've gone to. It's really, really neat, and I kind of want to get into the field now.